This afternoon, well, the central government has begun its investigation into the case involving the Maharashtra probationary IAS officer Pooja Khedkar. The probe will be completed in the next 2 weeks is what we are being told, and sources have indicated that if Pooja is found guilty, she may be dismissed as well. Remember, this was a pretty contentious case there where Pooja reportedly asked for privileges that she was not entitled to, including a beacon on her car and a VIP number plate as well. But the most contentious has been her disability claims, and that is something that the government panel will be probing as well. Take a look at all the reactions that have come in.
I am not authorized to talk on this issue, and मेरा जो भी submission होगा, जो भी है, I will give it to the committee, but I am not authorized to say anything to the media.
पूजा खेड़ेकर जैसे पैसे वाली औरत यूपीएससी के माध्यम से आईएएस बनती है, क्या हो रहा है भारत में? ये भारत ने ऐसे बड़े-बड़े आईसीएस ऑफिसर देखे हैं जिन्होंने दुनिया का इतिहास लिखा है.
So 2-week time has been given by the central government to the interrogating officer and to the officer who has been allowed to probe into this entire matter. In 2 weeks time, this report has to be submitted to the central government, because this is very important and the case is getting complicated every day because new facts are coming out in this entire matter. We had seen that today Pune Traffic Police has also given a notice to Pooja regarding the car and regarding the beacon that he has installed in her car. With that, the Maharashtra Shasan sticker was also strict on her car and it was not allowed. So Pune Traffic Police has also taken action on her and served her a notice about this entire thing. In this notice also, one thing has came out in light is that there are total 21 e-challans which has not been paid yet, and 27,000 rupees are still not paid by Pooja regarding the e-challans which has been given to her for disrupting the traffic rules. So there are many things which has came into right, and this probe which has started has been now given 2 weeks time to submit the report, and in this whole report the whole scenario will be narrated by the officer which has been given the responsibility to file the report on this. Already there are many facts which are available with the collector. The collector has also written a letter to Chief Secretary, and after that this whole matter has came into light. So the whole procedure will be little easy for the officer who is probing into this entire matter and has been given 2 weeks time to submit the report. It will be little easier because there are many proofs with collector which he has already submitted to Chief Secretary, and after that the Pooja was transferred to Washim. So probably 2 weeks time will be very important for Pooja also and for the probing officer also, because many things will come into light after whole investigation will be over.